Hey guys, I'm the Tech guy, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you the only possible way to upgrade your OpenGL drivers. Well, if we're talking about the truth here, then it's actually really sad to say that you can't actually upgrade your OpenGL drivers. The only way you can upgrade them is by buying a better graphic card. But hold up, don't get angry and just freaking leave this video. I'm gonna be showing you a trick by which you can possibly upgrade your OpenGL drivers. So guys, I wish you luck, and now let's get straight into this video. So first of all, you're gonna have to open my computer, and in there you're gonna have to open system properties. In the system properties, in the upper left corner, you're gonna see 4 options. You're gonna have to choose device manager. In the device manager, navigate through all those freaking options to display adapters. In there you'll see an option. Those are your graphic card drivers or your integrated graphics. Right click there and select update driver software. After that, a screen will show asking you from where do you want to apply the update from. Select search automatically. After some times, the results will be in front of you. As you can see, I have already updated them. So if you like this video, please go down there and subscribe to my channel and like this video. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.